Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, peoples, ladies and germ, traders of all kind. I missed you guys. Good morning. How is everybody doing this morning? How's everybody doing? Everybody in the chat, please let me know. Sound off. Let me know you're there. All right, per usual, let me make sure everything is okay here. Yep, everything is good. Everything seems to be ship-shape, so had to take a little bit of a break, guys. Your boy had a very nasty case of vertigo. Very nasty case of vertigo. If you've never had vertigo, congratulations. You don't want it. You do not want it. So obviously that barred me from trading for a while. So I didn't really place any trades all last week, so I can get my life together. I actually had to go to the emergency room. It was pretty bad. But we're here. We're here again to try the experience again. So let me go ahead and start marking stuff up. I believe that this is going to be our range for today, as we try and see who wants to take control here. That's crazy. All right, so I'm looking for longs, obviously, and I'm gonna try and be kind of aggressive with it. So the first opportunity I get, that's kind of what I want to do. I kind of want to just take this long right now, but need to see a little bit more first. It is a bullish engulfing too. If this comes down a little bit more, I may give this a shot. That's the first trade of the day. And she's already kind of coming up already. A little too high in the range. No bottom wick on the 5. Yeah, I would need that to come down a little bit lower. Look at my hourly. Everything kind of looks good for it to continue. All right. Let me give that a shot right there, guys. See what we want to do here. Would love it if we keep on trekking to the upside. We're being very careful here, of course. Is there anywhere I can reduce risk? Not really. Hoping that this bullish engulfing stays intact. It doesn't look like it wants to. Yikes. A little 20 test there. Add into that. See if this wants to flip back up. It'd be nice if it does. Looking for any excuse to kind of reduce risk here. I'm a little on the heavy side. I'm looking for literally anything to tell me to get out. We can close above here. All right, so I'm gonna tighten up my stops right there. Probably not the best idea. Very nice. Looking for this to just keep on pushing upwards. Alright guys, I'm gonna go break even on that one. And I'm gonna sell one right there. And let's see if this one wants to rock all the way up to Kingdom Come. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, not bad. Don't know what that's all about. Alright, I'm gonna close that for 644 bucks. Not bad, guys. First trade of the day. First trade. Not bad. Wish would have held just a little bit longer above the orb, but it is what it is. Honestly, that's almost enough to stop for today, but yeah. Might dip my toe back in here. We kind of took this high, then immediate rejection. Oh, we're Francing. If I didn't acknowledge you, sorry about that, buddy. I see you. All right, I'm gonna go back in with some heavy size. See if this wants to make another high. And oh my God, dude, come on. Okay, that's one for the. That's a trade for the books. Okay. While I was dragging my stops, everybody. Maybe I should just call that. Maybe I should just call that a morning. I might just call that a morning, guys. I'm gonna be very honest with you. That was nuts. That was really crazy. Yeah, that was really crazy, guys. But let me at least type out why. Bullish engulfing on 5. That's pretty much it. Like, what a market. Add it in. I might just call it. Wow, these were some quick ones. Yeah, guys. I'm just flabbergasted that kind of happened to me. I should still be in this trade. I kind of wanted the full day today. Today's a pretty good day for it, but man, that really sucks. So Trading Academy, what's up? I got into my whoa Trading Academy. We got into the live account. What? Yo, W's in the chat for Trading Academy. I'm putting all the W's. Hold on, let me go to the thing. Where the thing at? Where the thing at? Where the thing at? Where the thing at? W. No, man, what do you mean error? W's in the chat. Congratulations, Trading Academy. Congratulations, bro. That's huge. That's like your top what? Top 1% at Top Step, or hell, across prop firms in general. Holy shit. And you watch my stream? Oh my gosh. I feel so humbled. I feel so humbled. Been a long road, man. You ain't gotta tell me. I already know what you're going through, bro. Yeah, you deserve to be exonerated, honored, all that good stuff. I'm extremely proud, and I don't even know you. but I know the work it takes to get into those into that live account. I'm not gonna ask how much, even though I am kind of curious. But the fact that you even made it to a live account, that means real money. The prop firm said, "Hey, we're gonna back this guy up with real funds." I mean, that's huge, bro. And or madam, but most likely, bro. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. Yeah, man, I'm trying my best. I'm trying to just stack a couple funded accounts right now. I feel like I'm babying my fundeds whenever I get into them. So I'm just like, all right, let's just reset. Let's pass a couple of these combines real quick and all that jazz. So once again, congratulations. If you're just tuning in, this was the reason for the first trade. Real simple play, bullish engulfing on the 5. See if we want to take it up to that or pie. So bullish engulfing right here. I wanted to get into another trade here, but it wicked me out in profit. So the first trade was this, and then the second trade was this right here. I wish that could have been a lot more, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So I might be calling this an early day. I'm still kind of dizzy, so I don't want to stare at this for a prolonged period of time. So I might just call it a day. I want to call it a day. Yeah, that is a violent. Did we take the high? We did not take the high yet. We did not take the high. If this closes as a bearish engulfing, I'm definitely sitting on hands. If that closes a bearish engulfing, I'm gonna definitely sit on hands. It looks like it wants to. A bearish engulfing after something like that kind of signals that we want to start coming down. So all right, guys. Man, what a morning. You know, our ICT cousins are probably not trading today. No news Monday. Man, I'm really kind of upset that I got whipped out of this. That was, that kind of sucks. Could have been an easy full day. You could try to short, but I don't know. You're just wildly offsides right now if you try to short. So I don't know. Yeah, I personally don't know. Let's mark it up on. Let's stay right here. Yeah, guys, I'm still a little bit lightheaded. Just a little bit. Sip some tea, see if that'll help. I'm gonna practice some discipline and not trade the rest of the day here. As much as I want to just see if this wants to flip back short. Could see a little reaction out of this gap right here, see if it wants to go a little bit lower. But once again, not in love with it. I personally wouldn't play it. You're just going against the SMAs. 30 second might give you a little juice here, but you might get a new low. Might get a new low, might not. Or it could just come up and bust you back out. Kind of hard to say. Kinda hard to say. No, not right now. Not right now. Money Glitch, how's it going? That last XFA, I tried to trade while sick, and I blew it. Yep. That XFA is gone. So, luckily, I do have another XFA that I can activate, and in the meantime, I'm just gonna work in this combine right here. So, yeah, let that be a lesson. Try not to trade while sick. I was big sick and I tried to chase trades and all that other stuff. Mine wasn't in the game and I got punished for it pretty heavily. So nothing I could do about it, and I was really mad about it. But you know, life goes on. You just try again. Yeah, today's feels really good. Really sucks that I got like whipped out of this position right here. When you watch the replay, you'll see what happened. Like this trade was like less than a second. Like, look at this. When I say I got whipped out, I got whipped out. I got whipped in profit. All right, so as far as I'm concerned, this is some really good price action. Some really good price action today. I ain't got no complaints. In fact, to prove it, I'm just gonna do this. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm locking myself out. Locking myself out for the day, guys. There's no point in trying to get that last 500. That's how they get you. Just come back the next day, bank out another trade, and do what you can do. Wait a minute, hold up, I might be wrong. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. 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 Does that sound better? I wonder why was the music too loud. Even on the same parameters as usual. Huh, that's odd. Let me know if that sounds better, guys. Music is too loud. Good morning. Did you activate funded? I did and blew it. I tried to trade while sick, Brando. SBS sniper. So the bad news is that that funded is gone. The good news is I passed another combine last week as well. So I'll just wait until I have the funds to activate it. But right now I'm just playing in this combine right here. And all that other good stuff. And yeah. So the moral of the story is don't trade while sick, man. If you need to take time, the market is not going anywhere. It's just going to do more damage than good to your account. If I'm being very honest, I shouldn't have traded at all last week. But I think I tried to trade Monday. And Monday was like the height of my vertigo. So I had benign vertigo for about 4 days. So if you don't know what benign vertigo is, it's basically when the world doesn't stop spinning. It feels like you're drunk, but not in a good way. So it comes with like extreme loss of balance. Your senses aren't what they're supposed to be. Nausea. I was throwing up all day Sunday. So it wasn't a fun time. And I still tried to trade. And what happened? I got my ass handed to me. So another lesson. I don't think I've ever been that sick during my entire trading journey. I thought I could have tried and thugged it out, but it didn't work. So let that be a lesson for anybody. If you are sick, just take the day. If it's anything above a mild cold, just lock your account, leave it alone, man. Because I had that funded account for only 3 days. And what I do? I blew on the 3rd day. Sad. Very sad, very sad, very sad. But it is what it is. We go again. It was so devastating that I didn't even share it on Twitter. I usually share everything, but that day I was just like, you know what? I'm damn near dying. I blew an account. The world can wait. You know what I mean? The world can wait. So I hope the vertigo is getting better. Mom had that bad. It's like, oh yeah, Brando, it's nothing that I would wish on my worst enemy. Vertigo was crazy. Like it's getting much better right now. Like I have the cognizance to trade, but Sunday through Wednesday was literally impossible. Literally impossible. Nothing I could do about it. Particularly Sunday. Sunday was the worst. That was when everything was happening, and it doesn't go away like as quick as you think it will. Like I've been going through it for the past week, and I'm still not at 100% yet. Like if I were to stand up and like shake my head really fast, I would need to sit down like quickly. So yeah, it's another lesson, right? Another lesson. Smooth. I keep on forgetting. Brando is SBS sniper and Smooth operator is just his own person, right? Keep forgetting. Yeah, keep forgetting. But let me type this out so I don't have to keep on explaining it. Blue last funded. Try to trade while sick. Passed a combine last week. Waiting to activate while in this combine. There we go. Smooth operator, what's up, man? What's up? I wish you were here for this trade. This trade right here really got on my nerves. Like this second trade right here. I was kind of livid over this one. Because as soon as I got in, it popped right up while I was dragging stops, and I'm like, come on, man. Come on, like, and to prove it, this is that second trade I added 2 minis on. Look at the duration. Look at that duration right there. Look at the duration. Look at the duration. When I say I was wicked into profit, nigga, I'm black by the way, nigga. This is crazy. So those shorts are working out. How's that volume for the music, guys? Is everything okay? Yeah. Oh wow, look at ES. Yeah, look at ES. Wowza. 4-hour candle has no wick on ES to the bottom? Oh, I see. Honestly, it looks like that we may just kerfuffle right here for ES. But we'll see. I would need a lot of proof for this to continue downward. Hourly doesn't really look to be on your side, but everything else seems pretty groovy. 1, 2, I like what I'm seeing on the 15. But I'm mostly a 5-minute type of guy. 5-minute looks a little ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took that up, so now we're going down. 1, 2. Yeah, ES looks a little, but then again, I'm not an ES specialist anymore. ES kind of, the candles on ES really get on my nerves sometimes. Like this shit is kind of hard for me to read. But I love how ES moves. I love how ES respects zones. It doesn't blow past it. It doesn't will she, won't she. She's not moving all that fast as NQ, but she's steadily moving in the desired direction. So I do like that about ES. Let's take a look at the gold. Jesus. One day I'm gonna start looking at gold. 1, 2, 3. Gold looks pretty cool. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What time is this? 9:50. Yeah, here goes your SBS right here for gold. Kind of sucks that we didn't get a proper 5, you know. Yeah, that kind of sucks, but could have did something like this. I'm pretty sure I don't have to mark this up for gold, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll do the numbers. Why not? Not really trading for the rest of the day anyway. Man, Stoic really got something going here, dog. Stoic really got something going. This is a beautiful way to trade. Find the trend, find a pullback, find your desired model, whatever it be, and take the trade. Yeah, Stoic really got something here, dog. Really got something here. Anyway. Let's see what our favorite hooker NASDAQ is doing. Good God. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this little screenshot. Sorry if I keep on asking this, guys, but how was that music volume? Is it too loud, too low compared to my voice? How be sounding? Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Hello everybody, I am back. Sorry about that. Had a quick meeting with boss man. Had to make sure that things were okay. So yeah, so anybody take any trades here? Money glitch, I think you were short on ES. Looks like Smooth Operator is long from 821. Let's see. 821, good lord. Whoa, SBS. I mean, Smooth Operator. Wow. So you just wanted to see all this get swept, huh? And then just, man, good stuff. Shit. Yeah. Good shit, man. Good stuff. Let me see. Money glitch. Is everything going okay with your short? I'm assuming that one was a loss. Yeah, sorry. It is what it is. Let me take a look at the gold again. Gold looks like it wants to range for a little bit. Today is really good. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, guys. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. So we may be coming for this high right here. That's what this blue line kind of represents. Is this our all-time high? Is this our all-time high? No, it's not. It is not. Okay. All right. Guys, what time is it? It is 10:40. I might just get out of here. I might see you guys on the socials, but I kind of don't want to stare at this anymore. Yeah, I kind of don't want to stare at this. I want to just relax, maybe get some breakfast, all that stuff. So I'll let this rock for another 10 minutes or so. But I'm gonna place myself on mute. And I'll probably just end the chat. If I don't talk to you, good afternoon, good evening, good night, or however he said it on the Truman Show. Yeah, that's gonna do it for me. So see you guys in the next one.